Hey guys, it's Matt with 1T Fit and Finish. Let's go demo a shower. I start the demo by removing the shower heads and handles. I remove the gooseneck and replace it with a plastic test plug. I was informed that the tile was placed over drywall with a Schluter membrane. As it turns out, this tile was applied over Kerdi board. Kerdi board is a foam backing board with fleece on its exterior. The fasteners used to hang the board on the wall are similar to fender washers and hold the board quite firm. It's difficult to pull off larger chunks of the wall. I used the multi-tool to trim around all of the edges. It's valuable to know how these systems go together. It makes disassembly a little bit easier. Demoing sheetrock is a little bit easier. I like to get the edge of the hammer and part of a pry bar underneath one of the edges, and I slowly work it until the screws will pop free from the sheetrock. Or it breaks loose from a poorly taped seam. got the walls pretty much taken care of. Now let's get rid of this shower pan, or the base. Alright, as you can see, the shower curb was actually put right over top of the tile. And then if you look closely here in the corner, you can see where the shower pan itself is set to the concrete. I'm starting off carefully so that I don't break the floor tile. Is break up as big of pieces as I can. It just makes it a little easier to disassemble everything and get it outside. Okay, when you're demoing a system like this is the Schluter System pan. It's nice, or it's good to know how it all goes together, because then you know how it all comes apart. So this is the part of the pan, and then this is the drain, and then this is the drain inset here. I'll make sure to get the actual names of these items. So we're down to the point where the pan is completely loose, but we're going to have to cut the drain out. So I'm going to clean all this stuff up, and we'll get this drain cut out, and we'll be vacuuming and done with the demo of this shower. So how we're going to cut this PVC pipe out is with this internal PVC pipe cutter. Use it with a drill, and I'll show you how I do it. That. Thanks for sticking with me through the demo process here. I will be having to do some framing in here and truing up these walls. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you for some framing. This is Matt with 1T Fit and Finish.